Bay windows are a beautiful addition to any Covington home, offering more natural light, sweeping outdoor views, and an elegant architectural touch. But because bay windows extend outward from the home's exterior, they require proper weatherproofing to ensure long-lasting performance, especially in a climate like Covington's, where seasonal changes can include heavy rain, humidity, and temperature fluctuations. With the right protection, bay windows can remain durable, energy efficient, and visually appealing for many years. Here's what homeowners in Covington need to know about weatherproofing bay windows for long-term reliability and comfort. Why weatherproofing matters for bay windows. Bay windows have multiple components, 3 window sections, additional framing, and an exterior projection, that make them more exposed to outdoor elements than standard flat windows. Without proper weatherproofing, these windows can be vulnerable to water penetration drafts and heat loss, mold or moisture damage, wood or frame deterioration, higher energy bills. Covington homeowners want their investment to last. Weatherproofing ensures that bay windows not only look great but also protect the home against the unpredictable weather common in the area. Proper sealing to prevent air leaks. One of the most important steps in weatherproofing bay windows is ensuring tight seals around every edge. Gaps can develop over time around window frames, casings, and joints, allowing outdoor air to enter the home. Quality sealing helps block drafts, maintain indoor comfort, improve energy efficiency, reduce strain on HVAC systems. Professional installation ensures that the bay window is sealed correctly from the start, using weather-resistant materials that hold up against Covington's varying temperatures and humidity levels. High-quality flashing to keep water out. Flashing is a protective barrier installed around the edges of the window to direct water away from vulnerable areas. Since bay windows protrude outward, they are more susceptible to water pooling or penetrating around the roofline or base. Using durable, properly installed flashing prevents leaks, protects window joints, reduces risk of rot or mold, extends the life of the window. This step is crucial for long-term performance, especially during Covington's frequent rainy periods. Insulated window frames for better efficiency. Bay windows with poorly insulated frames can allow significant heat loss during winter or heat gain during summer. Upgrading to energy-efficient framing materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, provides better temperature control and weather resistance. Benefits include higher energy savings, a more comfortable home, reduced condensation, longer-lasting window performance. Covington homeowners often notice an immediate improvement in both comfort and energy bills after upgrading to insulated frames. Using high-performance glass for extra protection. Energy-efficient glass plays a major role in weatherproofing bay windows. Modern window technology includes features designed to protect against the elements while improving indoor comfort. Look for options such as double pane or triple pane glass, low E coatings to reflect heat, gas-filled insulation, argon or krypton, UV protection. These features help reduce heat transfer and condensation while providing a barrier against Covington's warm summers and cooler winters. Roof overhangs or window awnings for added shielding. Because bay windows extend past the wall of the home, adding an extra protective cover, such as a small overhang or awning, can dramatically extend their lifespan. These coverings shield the window from direct rain, sun exposure, and wind. They also help reduce frame wear, prevent water pooling, lower risk of leaks, improve overall weather resistance. This added protection is especially helpful for older homes or windows that receive heavy weather exposure. Investing in long-term protection for Covington homes. Weatherproofing bay windows is one of the best ways to protect your home, improve energy efficiency, and enjoy the beauty of bay windows without worry. With proper sealing, insulation, flashing, high-performance glass, and protective coverings, Covington homeowners can ensure their bay windows stay strong, durable, and efficient for years to come. Whether you're installing new bay windows or maintaining existing ones, professional weatherproofing is a smart investment that enhances comfort, protects your home, and keeps your windows performing at their best, no matter what the Covington weather brings. If you're considering bay window upgrades or weatherproofing, now is the perfect time to take steps toward long-term performance and home protection.